Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are well. I'm here with Oldies but Goodies, ATC card, hashtag Gen X Toons. I hope you guys are enjoying these because I have had fun making these and trying to create the ATC card to reflect the cartoon that me and Sabrina picked. By the way, I forgot to say in the last two videos, go over and check out Sabrina's. I don't know what I was thinking. My bad. So, but she is in the description box. So, y'all should go check it out. So, this week is DuckTales. And when I think of DuckTales, I think of Uncle Scrooge and money. So, what I did is, I got him in his vault. And then I got some play money out. And I wrapped it around the card. And then I took these little dots I had. And I put gold on them to kind of look like coins, like he's flipping his coins up in the air and coming down. So that is my DuckTales. This is April 17th. So make sure you go over and check out Sabrina and see what Sabrina comes up, because she's pretty talented on some of hers, I've noticed, and it's pretty cool. So thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.